Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Anzalina Asfia, but people usually call me Fia. I'm 12 years old and currently I'm a student of Islamic Communication and Broadcasting at Nahdlatul Ulama Al-Ghazali University of Cilacap. In this video, I want to share about who I am today, who I want to be in the future, and how I try to make better decisions as a student. So let's begin. I'm the kind of person who overthinks a lot. Sometimes I think too much about small things, my future problems, or even my own mistakes. Because of that, I often become anxious or unsure about myself. I also still struggle to appreciate myself sometimes. I can easily see the good side of other people, but it is harder for me to recognize my own value. But even though I still have many mistakes and many weaknesses, I'm trying to grow slowly and become a better person day by day. I believe self-growth is a long process and I don't need to become perfect immediately. My dream actually very simple. I just want to become someone who is useful for other people. I want my presence to bring positive energy, kindness, and support to others around me. And in the next 5 years, I hope I can become more mature, emotionally stronger, and more independent. I also want to improve my communication skills and my English because I know language can open many opportunities in education, work, and life. When learning English, I think my strength is listening and understanding conversations. I enjoy learning English through music, movies, social media, and daily expressions because it feels more natural and fun. But honestly, my weakness is speaking confidently. Sometimes I already know what I want to say, but I become nervous and overthink my grammar too much. I'm afraid of making mistakes, even though I know mistakes are part of learning. My learning style. My learning style is more visual and auditory. Usually, I learn better by watching videos with subtitles, listening to songs, repeating words, and reading new vocabulary in my notes. I also think consistency is more important than studying too hard in one day. Even small progress is still progress. To manage time, I try to make a simple weekly routine. From Monday to Friday, I focus to class, assignment, and studying. At night, I usually review lessons or practice English for 1 or 2 hours. On weekend, I try to rest, spend time with my friends, or just recharge my energy because honestly, balance is more important. I learned that being busy is not always the same as being productive. Sometimes spending hours on social media makes us feel active, but actually we are just wasting time. For me, productive activities are studying, improving skills, learning something new, or taking care of mental health. Meanwhile, activities that only make me busy are over scrolling social media, procrastinating, or doing things without clear purpose. As a student, I believe every decision matters because small habits today can affect our future. I use social media almost every day. Social media can be useful because it helped me learn new things, communication with people, and find information quickly. But honestly, social media can also distract me easily. That's why I try to make digital rules for myself. For example, I try not to use my phone while studying and I reduce scrolling before sleeping. I also try to follow positive and educational content more often. In my opinion, online networking is faster and more practical than offline networking. Through social media, we can connect with many people easily. However, offline networking feels more personal and meaningful because we can communicate directly. I think offline interaction helps me improve confidence and communication skills better. As a student, I often face choice between studying and entertainment. If I spend too much time scrolling on social media, I will lose focus on my assignment. If I study first, I will feel calmer and more relaxed later. Another example is balancing activities and rest. If I force myself too much, I will feel exhausted mentally and physically. So I try to balance my responsibility realistically. In my monthly financial habits, I try to spend money wisely. I spend a lot of money on food, transportations, and academic needs. I don't buy many unnecessary things because I want to save my money for important purposes. But sometimes I still buy snacks or small things I like, but only a few times. For me, budgeting is important because it teaches responsibility and self-control. So yeah, that's a little story about who I am today and who I want to be in the future. I know I'm still growing, I'm still learning, and I'm still trying to become a better version of myself. But I believe that every small step matters. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. See you and have a great day. Bye bye.